Hey guys, this is Simple Techniques. So if you haven't used any automation on your phone and you have the capability, I think you use. So here we're going to use what I use on my own phone. I have a Samsung, so I have access to BIXBY Routines. So to use BIXBY Routines, just click BIXBY Routine and then long press on BIXBY Routine, so you'll be brought inside BIXBY Routines, and then add a routine. So what I normally use is I will go to a time period. So when I go to a time period, let's say at night, what I use is that I will auto mute, and then I will also disable mobile data. So from here we'll set first the start time and then the end time, which is the next morning. I normally start 10 p.m. or 2200 because for sure I'll be at home during that time, and then I'll be ending about 8 a.m. because I'll be going around 8 a.m. go out of the house. So from there you'll be setting or selecting all the dates. So you got the start time, the end time, and selected all the dates. So just click done, and then you press this one and then select the automations that you want to do. So for connections, I'll be going to mobile data and I'll turn this off. Then you can add another one, which is I'll go to the sounds and then select sound and volume, and then I'll just put it on vibrate so that it's automatically on silent mode. And then what I also do is I just adjust the screen brightness. I put it at 1. So after doing all of this, then I'll just see the next one, which is when the routine ends, so it reverses all the actions, and then press next. Then after you press next, you can change the title into anything that you want. So for me it will be night automation, and then I'll just press done and then another done, and it's all set. So if you want to know whether this is working or not, it will have a running cycle running animation on the clock icon. So just to show you when it's running, you can change this time. Let's say the time now is 4:30. You can change this to 1600 just to show you. Alright, and then you'll see this. So everything on my screen has been adjusted. Okay, so this is a very useful thing for phones, because if you're the type who want to program stuff for yourself, is one hell of a useful way to do so. So please give it a shot. BIXBY Routines if you're on Android using Samsung, or if you're on Apple, it should be something like Apple Shortcuts. Okay, thanks for watching and see you again.